Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can upload short videos from your mobile devices onto YouTube. So in order to do that, first of all, you have to go to the YouTube app, open it up, and once you open up the YouTube app, you can see this plus symbol in the middle. Just click on that, then you can see the create a short option at the top. So in order to create a short, you have to click on create a short option, and then it will ask for access to your camera and microphone. Allow that. This video right here, which is a pre-made video by me, so you can actually see that video. Then click on done. The processing will take some time based on your internet speed and other parameters like the quality of the video, etc. So right now I am uploading a video which I have already made. You don't have to do that. If you're recording a video, it will automatically record and upload. So once the video is processed, and after that you can actually change the add text, edit the timeline, add filters to the video. Then you click on next, and it will come to the interface where you can upload the video. You can type your caption right here. You can type anything, caption as well as the hashtag. Then you can change the visibility of the video. Then you can change the type of audience, whether it's made for kids or not made for kids. Then you can change the comment options, etc. And you can click on upload shorts to upload the video. From this option, it will only let you add audio which are available on YouTube from the selected music only, and only the first 15 seconds will be added to the music. Just click on the music you want, then click on this arrow, and it will be added to your song. Then click on next, and you can upload your video right here. YouTube shorts videos. So if you're uploading videos other than shorts, you can actually click on upload a video and upload the video from your mobile device. It's also same process. You will just click here. You can edit into a short the entire video. You can edit, make into shorts if you want. Since I'm not using a shorts video, I can go the entire length. If you're making a shorts video, you click on edit the shorts. You can actually trim the video to be 60 seconds, and you can click on next to upload that video. Just click on next and you can fill up the details here and upload the video. That's a simple step to upload video from your mobile device. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this useful, do subscribe and comment below. Thank you for watching.